gains. Let's bring in Roth Capital's Craig Irwin. $85 price target, neutral rating on the company. What's leading to this surge that we've seen lately, Craig?
So there's two things going on. The first, I would call out that, Tesla's obviously, a very successful company in EVs. EVs are inevitable. They created the market, high quality. It's a darling. People want to own it. So any good news, they want to buy a little bit more, and it's a positive trade. It's a momentum trade. Second thing is, and I think people are misreading this, but on June 3rd, we had the announcement that they would future sales of the Model 3 rear-wheel drive vehicle, right, which is their highest volume vehicle, is going to be eligible for $7,500 in federal credits under IRA versus $3,750, just prior to that, which was on for a space of a number of weeks. Obviously better subsidy levels are good, and there's been kind of news that Panasonic wants to increase its battery manufacturing in the U.S. In the space of these recent days. But it appears there may have been the first detention of batteries coming into the U.S. under UFLPA, and that would be a major complication. And there's also,
what does that mean?
So December 2021, UFLPA was passed. It handles the sensitive issue of forced labor in product content and certain Chinese regions. So it's the policy to exclude all products made with forced labor. And CBP only did their first enforcement in June of 22 for solar, right? My colleague Phil Shen did some really impeccable work around this. This looks like we now probably have our first enforcement action for batteries. And sort of the person raising the flag, his name is Richard Mujica. He was intimately involved in the first Chinese OEM to have this issue for U.S. customers. So, there's going to be a lot of changes.
Right.
I don't know if it's good. I don't think this is. I think this is bad.
Craig, listen, when you come on with us, I always respect your obstinacy, but, $85 price target still. I mean, what's got to happen for you to be right here?
I'm going to be right. I'm going to be right. So remember,
how do you know you're going to be right? What are you going to be right about? Tell me.
There's about 100 EVs that are coming to market this year, 100 new EV models, and they're going to pressure Tesla significantly to the back end of the year, just like we saw last year, right? Tesla's valued at a massive premium to Toyota, sells a tiny fraction of the vehicles. They don't have anything that Toyota doesn't already have, right? So what they have is, a focus exclusively on EVs. And they have a story around robo-taxis, but that story is nothing but a story. We're not seeing any taxis anytime soon. Other people could take as aggressive positions in the technology. I, like many, just find it a little bit scary when you have these apparitions in front of you causing false braking, in the FSD system. So, it's a story stock. It's a story stock people love.
But the story's been out there for a really long